Hello class, welcome back. Welcome back to your maths class. Okay. So kids, in our last class we have done some question based on that was based on questions was based on word problems of measurement of length है word problems of unit of length के कुछ questions हमने किए थे. तो those all question were क्या थे वो? Those were just revision question or we can say example question. Okay. Okay. Now today we will start our exercise 8.4. So we have already done some question based on exercise 8.4. Today we will do some questions. We will do some word question. कल उस दिन जितने क्वेश्चन हमने किए थे अब हम कुछ आगे के क्वेश्चन करना शुरू करेंगे. Okay, so let us see. Okay, so now, so let us start. Write in column and add. Our question number 10 is write in column and add. ठीक है? So our question number 10 is write in column and add. Write in column and add. Okay. So first question in this is, so what you have to do? You just have to arrange the given numbers. That measurement का जो भी number दिया है, you have to arrange in column and then you have to add them. So first question is 35 meter 48 centimeter. Okay. So first question is 35 meter 48 centimeter and 18 meter and 96 centimeter. Okay, 35 meter 48 centimeter and 18 meter and 96 centimeter. This is the question. Now we have to solve this question. Now how we are going to do this? First we have to make two headings. सबसे पहले what we will do? We will make two headings, meter and centimeter. Now what we will do? Now we will arrange these numbers. ठीक है? तो first we are having 35 meter and 48 centimeter. 35 meter, 48 centimeter, 18 meter, 96 centimeter, and then you have to add them together. Okay. Now come on, add these numbers together and then ma'am will help you. Come on, add them together. Come on, completed? Okay. Let us see. So, first we are having 8 plus 6. This side we are having 8 plus 6. Now, 8 plus 6 will give us 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. For 14 we will write 4 and we will give carry 1. At next place we are having here 9 plus 4. Next place we are having 9 plus 4. Okay now. Then 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 and plus 1 carry 14. So here we will write 4. Okay. Now 4 we have written and 1 we will put कैरी हियर, यहाँ पे 1 क्या करेंगे हम, कैरी डाल देंगे. नाउ 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here we are having 8 plus 5 and plus 1 carry. 8 1 9, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay. Again our answer is 14, 14, 14. So we'll write 14 here and we'll give carry 1. Now 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 5. So we'll write 5 here. Okay. Come on. Note it down. Come on, note it down. Completed. So, chalo, ma'am is going to erase. Okay. Moving towards the next question. So, next question we are having. Next question क्या है हमारे पास? Our next question is add 14 meter 29 centimeter. Next question is 14 meter. Then next is 29 centimeter. 14 meter then 29 centimeter. And after this we are having, after 14 meter 29 centimeter. Next we are having 39 meter 85 centimeter. 39 meter and 85 centimeter. Now you have to add these two numbers. Okay, come on, add them together. Okay, so you have to add 14 meter 29 centimeter, 39 meter 85 centimeter. Chalo, let us do. First we will make two heading, meter and centimeter. So under meter we will write 14 meter and 29 centimeter. Then we will write 39 meter and 85 centimeter and we will add them together. Chalo. Let us add. Come on. Start from the rightmost place and start adding. Start from the rightmost place and start adding. So here we are having 9 plus 5. So 9 plus 5 we will get 10. Chalo, let us do here. So 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5, adding 9 and 5 we will get. How much we will get when we add 9 and 5? 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. For 14 we will write 4 here and we will give carry 1. Now at next place we are having 2 plus 8. So 2 plus 8. 8 plus 2 we will get. 8 plus 2 we will get 10. 10 plus 1 carry is equals to 11. For 11 we will write 1 here and we will give carry 1 to this place. Now next we are having 4 plus 9 plus 1. 9 1, 10 plus 4, 14. 14 का 4 carry 1. And next 1 plus 3 and 1 again. 3 1 4 1 5. So our answer is our next answer is 54 meter and 14 centimeter. Next answer is 54 meter and 14 centimeter. Okay, come on, note it down. Yes, note it down. Now we have to do one more question based on column method and addition, and then we will start our word problem. Okay, come on, do it. Okay, so ma'am is going to erase the board. Okay. Okay, so our next question is 3 kilometer 875 meter, 3 kilometer 875 meter and 2 kilometer 339 meter. You have to add these two numbers. Come on, add them together. 3 kilometer 875 meter, 2 kilometer 339 meter. Come on, add them together. Come on, arrange them in column and add. Okay, so let us write. So here I will write kilometer and at a distance meter. How many kilometers they are talking about? 3 kilometer and 875 meter. Next is 2 kilometer 339 meter. Come on, add them together. Chalo, add karo. Start from the rightmost place. Start from the rightmost place. Start from this place. What we are having at this place? 5 plus 9. We are having 5 plus 9. So 9 plus 5 we will get 14. 14 ka. We will write 4 here and we will give carry 1. Next we are having 7 plus 3 and plus 1. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 1 we will get 11. We have added the carry also. For 11 we will write 1 here and we will give carry 1. Next we are having 8 plus 3. Now 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11 and plus 1, 12. For 12 we will write 2 and we will give carry 1 here. Now at this place we are having 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 3 plus 2, 5, 1, 6. So we will write 6 here. So our answer is 6 kilometer 214 meter. 6 kilometer and 214 meter. Okay? Come on, note it down. Come on, note down this question. Okay. Completed? So can we move ahead? Okay. So I am going to erase, and next we are going to do the word problem. Okay. Okay, so ma'am is going to do the next question, and the next question is a word problem. Okay, so next we are going to do exercise 8.4. We are going to do the word problems. Okay, so I have given you enough example yesterday. Those examples were based on the real life extensions. So now moving toward the next question, that is question number 13. So now question number 13 says Tarun got 3 meter 48 centimeter rope for his one well and 4 meter 90 centimeter of rope for his another well. How much rope did he buy? So see what happened. Well देखा है, कुछ इस तरह का वेल होता है ना, खूब ऐसा गहरा सा, है ना, और ऊपर क्या होती है, ऊपर ऐसे एक पुली सी लगी होती है, और फिर इससे एक रोप हम डालते हैं, यहाँ पे क्या होती है, रोप में बकेट बांध के, और यहाँ से हम क्या लेते हैं, वाटर लेते हैं, है ना। तो तरुण ने क्या किया, तरुण ने 2 रोप खरीदी अपने 2 वेल के लिए। अपने 2 वेल के लिए तरुण ने क्या खरीदी, 2 रोप खरीदी। ठीक है, दोनों रोप की लेंथ दी हुई है। तो ना क्वेश्चन इज टोटल कितनी रोप उसने खरीदी, हाउ मच रोप डिड ही बाय। ठीक है, चलो So what we have to do here, we have to write the statement. Okay, so let us write the statement. Question number 13, because this is a word problem, so we have to write the statement also. Okay, so first is length of rope for first well. So length of rope for the first well is 3 meter 48 centimeter. 3 meter and 48 centimeter. Now next statement will be length of rope for second well. सेकेंड वेल के लिए कितनी रोप चाहिए थी, सेकेंड वेल के लिए इन्हें चाहिए थी 4 मीटर 90 सेंटीमीटर की रोप। ठीक है, सो 4 मीटर 90 सेंटीमीटर। ठीक है, ना टोटल लेंथ ऑफ रोप, total length of rope equals to what we will do, first we will make 2 column of meter and centimeter, and then we will add meter centimeter, and we will add 3 meter 48 centimeter and 4 meter 90 centimeter, and we will add. Come on, add them together. Completed? Add them together. Okay. See. So 0. So 8 plus 0 is equals to 8. 4 plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we'll write 3 here and we'll give carry 1. Here we are having 4 plus 3, 7, 1, 8. So our answer is 8 meter 38 centimeter of rope, है ना? 8 meter 38 centimeter of rope did he buy in all. Come on, note it down. Completed. Note it down, then we will move toward the next question. Okay, so our next question is, a shopkeeper sold 13 meter 25 centimeter cloth on Monday and 12 meter 80 centimeter of cloth on Tuesday. How much cloth did he sell in 2 days? तो एक शॉपकीपर था जिसने क्या किया, मंडे को 13 मीटर एंड 25 सेंटीमीटर क्लोथ सेंड किया एंड ट्यूसडे को 12 मीटर 80 सेंटीमीटर. तो टोटल दोनों डेज में उसने कितने लेंथ की क्लोथ सेंड की. लेट अस डू. Okay, moving toward the next question. Shopkeeper. So our first statement will be question answer number 14. Our first statement will be length of clothes sold on Monday. Length of clothes sold on Monday equals to, ठीक है, मंडे को कितनी लेंथ की क्लोथ सोल्ड की, 13 मीटर 25 सेंटीमीटर. 13 मीटर 25 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज लेंथ ऑफ क्लोथ sold on Tuesday equals to, Tuesday को कितनी क्लोथ सेल की इसने, 12 मीटर 80 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, 12 मीटर 80 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ next is what? Next statement will be total length of clothes sold. Total length of cloth sold. क्या करेंगे, मीटर सेंटीमीटर. We will make two heading, meter and centimeter, and then we will add. Come on, add them together. चलिए ऐड करिए. Completed. Chalo, let us move ahead. Let us add. Okay. So first we will write them in column. So 13 meters, 25 centimeter, 12 meter and 80 centimeter. Chalo, let us add them together. So will get 5. 5 plus 0 we will get 5. Next 8 plus 2 is equals to 10 and 1 carry. 3 plus 2 5 1 6 and 1 1 2. So our answer is 26 meter and 5 centimeter. 26 meter and 5 centimeter. Come on, note it down. Okay. Next question is Ranjan travels 7 km 975 meter by car and 1 km 318 meter by bicycle. Okay, so Ranjan is a boy who travels 7 km 975 meter by car. कार से ट्रेवल किया and then 1 km 318 meter by साइकिल से ट्रेवल किया. How much distance did he travel? तो टोटल कितनी डिस्टेंस उसने ट्रेवल की. So what will be our statement? Distance covered by car equals to, and next statement will be distance covered by cycle. Okay. Question number, this is answer number 15. So, distance covered by car equals to, and next statement will be distance covered by car and distance covered by cycle. So, कार से कितनी डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया? 7 किलोमीटर 975 मीटर. ओके, 7 किलोमीटर 975 मीटर. एंड बाईसाइकिल से 1 किलोमीटर 318 मीटर. 1 किलोमीटर 18 मीटर. Now, total distance covered equals to, first we will make two heading, kilometer and meter, and here we will add 7 kilometer 975 meter, 1 kilometer 318 meter, and what you have to do? You have to add them together. Start from the rightmost place. So at the rightmost place we are having 8 plus 5. So 8 plus 5 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we'll write 3. We'll give carry 1. 7, 1, 8, 1, 9. Okay. Then 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. Carry 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9. So our answer is total distance covered by Ranjan is 9 kilometer 293 meter. 9 kilometer and 293 meter. This is the total distance covered by Ranjan. ठीक है, पहला थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस उसने कार से ट्रेवल किया, फिर उसने साइकिल से कवर किया, तो टोटल उसने कितनी डिस्टेंस कवर की? तो आवर आंसर इज 9 kilometer 293 meter. Okay, so kids, this is it for today, and now we will meet in our next class.